The Nevera can accelerate from 0 to 100 kph in under 2 seconds.
Car guys are lamenting the end of the internal combustion engine because we love the way they sound, they feel, and they shift and all that. But when it comes to speed, there just is no contest. Electric motors are instant, they're silent, and nothing will keep up with an electric car. This is insane stuff. I mean, the fact that you can now accelerate only as fast as your car's tires can grip, we're in crazy town.
The Nevera's electric motors also allow the vehicle to act like several different cars in one.
It can be just front-wheel drive, just rear-wheel drive, any combination in between, or you push the button and all of a sudden it's a drift machine.